Have you ever wished you could manifest your desires instantly? Imagine being able to attract your dream life without having to wait for weeks or months. Well, today we're going to reveal a powerful technique that can make this possible. Welcome to our video, where we explore the secrets of the law of attraction and how you can manifest instant results. What if we told you there was a way to bring your desires into reality within seconds? It may sound too good to be true, but believe us, it's possible. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of instant manifestation, then keep watching. But before we dive into the technique, let's briefly understand what the law of attraction is. The law of attraction is a belief that our thoughts and intentions have the power to attract positive or negative outcomes into our lives. It's the principle that like attracts like. Now, imagine applying this principle to manifest your desires instantaneously. The technique we'll be discussing today will revolutionize the way you approach manifesting your desires. So let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Clearly define and visualize your desired outcome. The first step in manifesting your desires instantly is to have a clear understanding and a vivid visualization of what you want to manifest. Take the time to define your desire in specific and detailed terms. The more specific and detailed you can be, the better. Visualize every aspect of your desire as if it is already happening. Imagine how it feels, what it looks like, and what it sounds like. Engage all your senses and create a mental image that is as real as possible. Step 2. Believe and have complete faith that your desire will manifest instantly. Belief is a crucial element in the manifestation process. You must have complete faith that your desire will manifest instantly. Doubt and skepticism can hinder the manifestation process, so it's vital to suspend any disbelief and trust in the power of the law of attraction. Remind yourself that if you can conceive it and believe it, you can achieve it. Cultivate a strong belief in your ability to manifest your desires instantaneously. Step 3. Embrace the power of emotions. Emotions play a significant role in the manifestation process. When you feel grateful for already having achieved your desired outcome, you tap into the energy of abundance and attract that energy back to you. Feel the joy and excitement associated with the manifestation. Allow yourself to feel the gratitude and celebrate as if your desire has already manifested. Embrace the positive emotions and let them fuel your manifestation process. Step 4. Use affirmations and positive self-talk. Reinforce your belief in instant manifestation by using affirmations and positive self-talk. Affirmations are powerful statements that help reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your desires. Repeat empowering statements to yourself, such as "I effortlessly attract what I desire, and it manifests in seconds." Use these affirmations consistently and with conviction. Use positive self-talk to remind yourself of your power to manifest your desires instantly. Replace any negative self-talk or doubts with empowering thoughts and affirmations. Step 5. Release resistance and detachment from the outcome. To manifest instantly, it's essential to release any resistance and detachment from the outcome. Let go of any attachment to how or when your desire will manifest. Trust in the universal process and allow it to unfold effortlessly. The more you try to control or force the outcome, the more resistance you create. Surrender to the divine timing and trust that your desire will manifest in the perfect way and at the perfect time. Detach yourself from any specific outcomes and focus on the feeling and essence of your desire. Step 6. Visualize your desired outcome in the present moment. Imagine yourself already experiencing your desired outcome. This technique involves immersing yourself in the experience of already having your desire. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize yourself in the present moment, living your desires. See yourself enjoying the success, abundance, or love that you desire. Immerse yourself in the emotions and sensations associated with already having what you want. The more you can align with this visualization, the closer you come to manifesting instantly. Step 7. Clear any limiting beliefs or doubts. Identify and eliminate any negative thoughts or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from manifesting instantly. Limiting beliefs can create resistance and block the flow of manifestation. Challenge and replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. Affirm to yourself that you are deserving of instant manifestation and that anything is possible. Consciously choose thoughts that support and uplift your desires. Release any doubts or fears that may arise and replace them with unwavering confidence and trust. Step 8. Take inspired action towards your desired outcome. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It requires taking inspired action towards your desired outcome. Be open and ready to receive your manifestation in unexpected ways. Trust that the universe is guiding you towards your desires and be proactive in following any guidance or opportunities that come your way. Take inspired action aligned with your desires and stay open to receive the results. Now, you may be wondering, is manifesting instantly really possible? Well, according to countless success stories and the principles of the law of attraction, it absolutely is. People have experienced instant shifts in their lives, manifesting their desires almost magically. The key is to believe in the power of manifestation and to practice these techniques consistently. To make instant manifestation a reality, it's crucial to maintain a high vibrational frequency. This means keeping your thoughts positive, practicing gratitude, and having unwavering self-belief. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting books, inspiring videos, or like-minded individuals who support your manifestation journey. Remember, the law of attraction is not about waiting for things to happen. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desired outcome. By doing so, the manifestation process accelerates and your desires become your reality. Friends, here we conclude our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. As you embark on your manifestation journey, we send you our warmest blessings. May all your desires manifest instantly, bringing you joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and enjoy the incredible power of instant manifestation.